Through the storm, Jamaica still stands. Her mountains wept, her rivers rose, her people held each other through the roar of thunder and the cry of the wind. We watched as the skies darkened, yet the spirit of the island, unbreakable, shone brighter than the lightning that tried to tear it down. Yes, we have felt pain. Yes, we have seen loss. But this little island, this heart of the Caribbean, refuses to bow. From the hills of Saint Anne to the coastlines that took the hardest hit, unity is our shelter, love our armor, and resilience our rhythm. And as the morning light returns, we see not just destruction, but destiny. A call to rebuild, to restore, to rise once more together. Yet somewhere along the southern shores, something happened. A place where the waves hit hardest, and the stories still ache to be told.